Hello guys, welcome to Delicate Flavors with Pallavi. Let us make a no cooking, very easy, lazy Sunday recipe which is great for a Sunday brunch or a Sunday breakfast or any time of the week, any time of the day. Let us start making the very easy, simple and delicious coleslaw sandwiches. So you can see that a very yummy sandwich with no cooking is ready in no time. We are making no cook coleslaw sandwiches today, for which I have taken 1 big tablespoon of mayonnaise, in which I am going to add some shredded vegetables, some shredded cabbage, some onion and some carrot. See to it that the vegetables are very finely chopped. You can make them fine chop also, but you should see that the vegetables are dry. They shouldn't retain any moisture. So in go all the vegetable and we mix them thoroughly. In this we will just put a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt for the seasoning, and in goes some black pepper too. Black pepper you can put as per your choice. I have just put in 1 pinch just for the seasoning. And we like food still on a little spicier note. I am adding chili flakes. Chili flakes is absolutely optional. Now just mix this. A nice creamy stuffing is prepared and now we will stuff it into bread to make it sandwich. I have taken 4 slices of bread, white bread, and I have taken off the edges a little bit. Onto this we will start laying our stuffing. You can stuff as much as you want. See that the stuffing reaches to the edges also. We will stuff another one too. So we have layered the stuffing on our bread and just we will put in another bread. You can also butter the bread if you like, but in this case I have just left it as it is. It won't get soggy if you are eating immediately, but if you want to keep it for a while, then of course you need to butter it. Now we will cut in the sandwiches. So nice and yummy summer coleslaw sandwiches are ready. The stuffing seems to be so colorful and so healthy. So this is a no time snack. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for snack time, anytime throughout the day. You can carry it for a picnic. I hope you have liked this recipe. It was discovered accidentally by a Dutch woman and it became very famous. It is just a cabbage salad, which means a coleslaw. Do try it at home. Share your comments with me in the comment section below. Do write to me, connect to me. Please subscribe to my channel, give it a like and share it with your friends and family. Bye for now.